Hey guys, today I have come up with three kind of groups which is currently famous in crypto. First one is Altcoins, second is Memecoins, third is exchange token. I know you guys might be saying that why there is no AI and other types of coins, but I saw a post on Instagram where user have said about these tokens. So I wanted to show my review and opinion on this all. So one by one we will be checking this. First one is Adai, famously known as Cardano. So currently we check the price. It's around $1.20, and let's see the total time graph. So it peak July 2021. It means the before the bull run ended, it went to around $3 at 11 billion volume. I saw, yeah, as you guys can see here, 11 billion volume, and currently it has very less amount of volume. So in this bull run it can also do a good. Here we can see market cap is currently 41 billion, FDV, total supply, max volume per market cap. And there is this news quite by under research in blockchain. Okay, not much. Let's check out this one. Back to new range, then little dump for most optimal entry, then it will pump. It is very likely that this is the first wave of ADA that is in later 2025-26 will be seeing new all-time high. I guess this bull run we will see new all-time high, which is very likely to possible. And now our second token is XRP. XRP, as we all know, it is pumping so much after the resignation of SEC chairman or whoever that guy was. So we can see the market cap is 144 billion. It can go 1 trillion someday, I really feel, because Elon supports XRP and Dogecoin, so most likely to possible. And we can see a huge volume. This was the day around, then the news come around, I guess these dates. People have already collected a lot, but it has still, I don't think, reached its all-time high. Yeah, it hasn't reached its all-time high of $3.1. Currently it is varying at $2.51. So yeah, currently also a good buying opportunity if you guys want to 2x 5x your money and you don't want to take so much risk, then these are okays. Then third one comes AVAX, known as Avalanche. Lot of people say it in different ways, but yeah. So we can say the last bull run, it was around, if it reached previous year bull run, previous cycle bull run, I mean, then it can easily go to 2x because cut 51 double. So it can easily give you 2x, but I feel this bull run it can easily give you around 5x. You guys can also see it was peak. So yeah, AVEX is also a nice token. Currently, let's check out the market cap is 21 billion dollar. Then volume we can see here is 610 million. Then total supply, max supply, it's okay. So yeah, a lot of token will come in future, I guess. There is unlocking period also. 57% are in circulation. So yeah, it will dump in future if they will unlock it. It has also listed in top notch, Binance, Coinbase, and different exchanges, tier 2, tier 3, and tier 1 exchanges. So yeah, then there come another group too, which are meme coins. Okay, let's check out them one by one. So then come the meme coins. Dogecoin, I guess I don't have to show, but let's see current market status. It is moving around $0.4, and here we can see 2021, 2022. The volume is same as its all-time high volume. So yeah, we got huge amount of money, and this was, so yeah, it is reaching its all-time high most probably soon. Then current market cap we can see here. I guess I don't have to show much about this because you already know a lot. Let's check out Bong. Okay, so its all-time high is around 0.005, and it is currently at here. So yeah, this is few months back. If somebody have invested around this bloodbath area, they might be happy because it has done around 100x, 100% returns, not 100%, I guess, more than this actually, but well, never mind. So yeah, bonk is, I don't feel like going in bonk currently because I feels like that the resistance area is around this. So not resistance, it supports area. If it will dump a little more, then I will try to join this, but for currently I won't be. But let's check out its market cap, 3 billion, so it can easily go 30 billion this cycle. And circulating supply, almost the monos are in public and its analysis. Okay, trillion. And okay, let's check out where Binance, Bybit, Coinbase. So yeah, most of the tier 1, tier 2 exchanges, everybody have this. So huge pump can come when people feel like now no, this is the time they want to. Let's check out this. So it is a small token, but yeah, it is also doing great. We can see the market cap is only 80. So if it will become 8 billion market cap this cycle, it can easily 100x. So you guys can keep this one also. Sorry for yawning. So circulation is 100%. So no need to worry about this. Let's check out its graph. Its all-time high was in August only. I guess it will dump a little bit, then it will pump. It will pump, I guess, next year only because I don't feel like this year it will pump. So yeah, tier one exchanges haven't listed like Coinbase and Binance, and so if they will list it in future, then there might be chances. But tier two exchanges have listed them, and you guys can see your names and you guys can check out yourself also. So we can see community sentiments. Okay, cool, nice. Okay, now in exchange token, I guess you guys can yourself can check out, but what I suggest is Uniswap and Radium are gonna do a much more this cycle because these are most popular. Arrow I feel is a little long term safe play, but these two are much better. So yeah, you guys can check out these tokens too. And for this video, it is. And bye. Take care, guys, and keep pumping.